Today we're taking you through a complete Hacienda Patio Makeover that blends rustic character with clever and budget-friendly DIY techniques. What happens when rustic textures, warm tones, and hacienda style come together? Stay tuned for the stunning reveal at the end. Whether you rent or own, whether your patio is a downtown postage stamp or a suburban wraparound, you'll leave with actionable tips, fresh design ideas, and the confidence to build an outdoor haven. Grab your lemonade and let's start planning your new favorite space. Segment 1. Crafting the vision and map. Every makeover starts with a purpose. Do you want a sunrise meditation nook, a Friday night grill spot, or a starlit dining area? Begin with a simple zoning map, like marked traffic lanes, cozy corners, and utility spots for bins or hoses. Create a mood board. Blend hacienda classics, saltillo tiles, wrought iron, and ochre stucco with fresh updates like reclaimed teak or sleek concrete seating. Finally, plan smart. Measure carefully and split your budget into now, next quarter, and someday, so the project stays practical and stress-free. Segment 2. Setting the groundwork. Floors set the tone. For a true hacienda feel, use handmade saltillo tiles in a running bond, then highlight the center with a reclaimed brick herringbone rug. Renting or want a quick fix? Choose snap-together composite pavers that mimic clay, fully removable, no grout. Start with a self-compacting gravel base for solid footing and better drainage, and always seal porous surfaces with a breathable sealer to prevent white stains later. For pro tip, place one tile on edge at the threshold. It stops gravel from creeping indoors and adds a handcrafted detail. Segment 3. Walls, arches, and texture. Hacienda patios are defined by tactile walls that tell tales of sun, rain, and time. Start by patching any cracks with lime-based stucco. It's softer than Portland cement, so it moves with temperature swings. Once cured, apply a thin earthen lime wash tinted in soft sandstone or blush terracotta. The color sinks into the wall rather than forming a film, aging gracefully. Want a statement? Mount a prefab steel arch, then train climbing jasmine over it to create a borrowed landscape vista that feels like a gateway to another courtyard beyond. Segment 4. Furnishing with character. Now let's bring it to life. Start with a chunky mesquite farm table, finished in food-safe tung oil to highlight its rich grain. Pair it with stackable iron chairs, easy to clear when the dance floor calls. Add comfort with a DIY Rebozo stripe bench cushion, paint washable stripes on simple canvas covers stuffed with recycled fiberfill. For flexibility, craft rolling cedar cube ottomans topped with flagstone, perfect as plant stands or extra seats. Ground the whole setup with a hand-loom jute rug, protected with marine sealer, so morning dew won't turn it musty. Segment 5. Greenery and shade. A hacienda patio without plants is like salsa without cilantro. Go vertical with modular wall planters filled with sun-loving herbs, oregano, thyme, and rosemary that release fragrance at a touch. Along the edges, add half barrels of dwarf citrus, calamandan for scent, kumquat for snacking, and for shade, build a cedar pergola with reclaimed bamboo poles instead of beams. Thread fairy lights through the nodes so it shimmers like a constellation at night. Soon, bougainvillea will climb and turn it into a living ceiling. Segment 6. Atmosphere, tech, and seasonal tweaks. Great design engages all senses. Add an earthen chimenea, not only for warmth, but as a rustic sculpture. Toss in dried sage bundles for an aromatic campfire. Layer lighting, wall-mounted wrought iron sconces on dimmers, a solar-powered lantern cluster over the dining table, and flameless pillar candles that flicker safely on windy nights. Hide a low-profile Bluetooth speaker stone among planters. Cue soft guitar riffs for ambience. To keep plants thriving, bury a moisture sensor linked to a smart drip line. It irrigates only when soil dries, conserving water. Step back and take it in. Warm stucco, flickering lanterns, citrus leaves catching sunset light. Your patio has transformed from a blank slab into a rustic haven where every tile, vine, and cushion carries a story you wrote. If today's makeover inspired you, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss fresh design journeys with Liviaro Studio. Drop a comment about the first upgrade you'll tackle, maybe the lime-washed wall niche or those fragrant rosemary pockets. Until next time, keep crafting spaces that feel like an embrace. Happy creating, and see you in the courtyard.